I'll guide you through adding products to your Temu wishlist without struggling to find the hidden save button or cluttering your shopping cart with temporary items. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Because the Temu platform intentionally buries the wishlist option to push users toward immediate impulse purchases, shoppers often find it impossible to locate a standard heart icon on the main product images, leading to lost items and unorganized shopping carts. Here's a hack to get items into the Temu wishlist. Open the Temu application on your mobile smartphone. Use the search bar at the top of the homepage to find the specific item you want to save. Tap on the desired product to open its dedicated listing page. Scroll past the main checkout buttons down to the product details header. Tap the heart icon labeled Save, located directly to the right of the details section. Return to the main screen and tap the Your Profile icon on the bottom navigation bar. Select the wishlist button found right next to your browsing history. There you'll see and manage all your saved items in Temu Wishlist. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.